Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix GoDaddy login problems, account and verification errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with your GoDaddy account, you're not alone. Follow these steps to troubleshoot your login problems effectively. First, ensure you are entering the correct username and password. Double-check for any typographical errors. Next, make sure your caps lock is not turned on, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email verification. Be sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the reset email in your inbox. Once you receive the reset email, follow the link and create a new password. If you're still unable to log in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and look for options related to privacy and security. Select the option to clear your browsing data, ensuring you check both cache and cookies. After clearing, close and reopen your browser before trying to log in again. If the issue persists, test logging in with a different browser. This can help identify if the problem lies with your current browser settings. Another option is to try using the GoDaddy mobile app if you have it installed. If you still cannot access your account, consider temporarily disabling any browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with website functionalities. It's also worth checking if there are any ongoing server issues with GoDaddy. You can visit their official status page or social media channels for real-time updates. If you are facing verification errors, ensure your email address is verified. You can do this by checking for a verification email from GoDaddy and following its instructions. If all else fails, contact GoDaddy customer support. Be ready to provide your account details for quicker assistance. Following these steps should help you resolve your GoDaddy login problems. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.